featuring the 3-degree guarantee. Sponsored by Capital Credit Union.
After flirting with record highs yesterday, temperatures this afternoon running 25 to 35 degrees colder, and it's going to stay cold for the rest of the week. Here's a look at the next 7 days as we wrap up February. There's your final 7 days of the month. High temperatures tomorrow, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday only in the teens. A quick warm up on Saturday, and then colder weather returns for Sunday and Monday. Right now, temperatures across northeast Wisconsin range from 13 in Pennine and Antigo to 31 in Sheboygan. Up and down the Fox Valley, we're looking at temperatures that are in the upper teens. Here in Green Bay, you can see it's snowing very lightly. There's also a little bit of freezing drizzle in there as well. Northeast winds sustained at 30 miles per hour, gusting up to around 40 miles per hour. And we've been looking at those gusts pretty much since midnight. In Appleton, more of the same, cloudy skies, a little bit of freezing drizzle and some flurries and very gusty winds. Wind chills right now making it feel even colder. The wind chill in the Marinette-Menominee area now sits at 3 degrees below zero, and those winds will stay gusty throughout the night into tomorrow between 30 and 40 miles per hour for the most part, but a few higher gusts are possible. The radar right now shows quiet conditions across northeast Wisconsin because the precipitation is very light, but once again, there is some freezing drizzle and some light snow out there, and it doesn't take much freezing drizzle when temperatures are in the teens to cause some problems. So drive very carefully if you are going to be out and about this evening. The satellite picture shows thick clouds across northeast Wisconsin. We had a strong cold front move through last night. Now we're watching an area of low pressure move east-northeast along that front. That's going to be our weather maker here for the next couple of days. Temperatures on the other side of that front today, 30 to 50 degrees colder than yesterday. 18 right now in Green Bay, but temperatures are only in the single digits below zero across northern Minnesota and North Dakota. This system's causing lots of problems. Blizzard warnings where it's really cold, ice storm warnings just on the other side of the lake. For us, we have a winter weather advisory that includes all of northeast Wisconsin for tonight. Into tomorrow, we're looking at a wintry mix, snow, sleet, freezing rain and freezing drizzle at times. The precipitation is going to start to pick up here in intensity as we move deeper into the evening hours. Once again, a wintry mix throughout the night into tomorrow morning. And then it looks like some colder air is going to wrap in on the backside of it tomorrow afternoon and evening. And most of that wintry mix will start to go back over to some snow. And that's when most of us will see the accumulating snow, at least here in the Fox Valley. So tomorrow, if you're planning on sturgeon spearing, look for gusty winds, cold temperatures, and that on and off wintry mix throughout the day. Whenever you're talking about a wintry mix, it is a very tricky forecast as far as trying to figure out who's going to get the most snow and where. We're looking at snow, sleet, and freezing rain in the forecast here for tonight through tomorrow. Temperatures up around 5,000 feet, right around 32 degrees, and 1 to 2 degrees difference can have a huge impact on what you get here at the surface. Temperatures greater than 32 means more mixing and less snow. Temperatures less than 32 would mean more snow and less mixing. And right now, that line is going to be setting up right in this general vicinity. So south of it, more mixing, less snow, 1 to 3 inches. North of it, 3 to 6, and then a 6 to 12 here across the far northwestern part of the viewing area. So tonight, a windy, wintry mix. Temperatures pretty much hanging out in the mid to upper teens with wind chills near zero. Tomorrow, a windy, wintry mix. Temperatures holding steady in the mid to upper teens. My 3-degree guarantee for tomorrow is 18. If I can hit that high within 3 degrees, we will donate $100 to Bridge the Gap for Autism. And we did that today. I forecast a high of 26, and the actual high temperature was 26 degrees. On Wednesday, 18 degrees, windy, sun and clouds, 18 on Thursday as well. Some light snow coming in. That snow could linger into Friday morning. A dusting to a couple of inches is possible. We'll see a slightly warmer day on Saturday up to around 30, and then colder weather behind a cold front Sunday and Monday will push temperatures back down into the lower and mid-20s as we wrap up February and start thinking about, will March come in like a lamb or a lion? But we're going to have that wintry mix, icing and some snow tonight through tomorrow. Once again, it doesn't take very much icing to start causing problems. The roads could become hazardous later on this evening and continue into tomorrow.
Absolutely have to keep that in mind for anyone on the roads. All right, Cameron, thank you so much. Still ahead here tonight, the Winter Olympics have come to a close.